And good evening. Well, it's only me for now. I'm late today because of dinner. So, yeah. But we're here. I mean, at least I am. And here we go. First thing first, I need to name the Twitch. Name the Twitch stream. Right, first thing first, I have to name the stream. Because I always struggle with this. Every time. Chat. Hey, Abibi. Here we go. Okay, that was done. Done. Save. Nice. Cool. And now we go for. Right. Today's objective is to connect the localhost backend to the front end. And then if that's easy enough and works, then I might need to do some work on the front end. Yeah, that's what's the plan is today. Ba, 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 ba. Something like that. I put my phone there, so we probably reply in the chat by phone. Oh, I don't even see the chat. I'm still a noob in this, I'm sorry. Red suits me. Yeah, it's really nice. Maybe the contrast is too much. I don't like the red and the pink together. But we're gonna get on with this and don't look at the colors. But still red. Oh, no. What are you doing? Okay. Right. First thing first is we need insomnia. Oh, no. First thing first is we need docker compose up -d. Then nice. My first request. Send. Okay. Then I need duplicate get all messages. Get send. Yes. And yep. That's good, and it's also encrypted. The email recipient and the content is encrypted. This one I just tested earlier as well. and it did work. I did get this email, so actually the sending does work. And thank you for everyone in the chat that is interacting. It would be very nice if you just drop a hello word or something. Yes. Right. So Insomnia work, backend is up and running. Now let's go to the front end. Service, network client. What is my size API arrow? Base URL. There we go. Where is it? Where is it defined? Oh, self. It's not defined anywhere, is it? That's not what I wanted to do. Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, chill out. Post. Active. I need to stop it. Do I Old view model? Let me have a look at this. Authentication service, fine. Signing with Apple, signing with Google, sign out. Oh no, this is old. Wrong. That's what. Features message service, feature message service. Here we go. Okay, that's good. But then we need network client. I need to define the local host that the message is. Oh my god, how did I do it? I need to check my old code to remember how I did it. This is a bit embarrassing. I forgot. The page. The funny thing is I put the chat on the screen and then I don't even see it. I can make it bigger. Would that help me? Probably not. Maybe I should even play with these settings during the stream, but I do what I want. Oh, actually, if I go interact, then I have the chat here. This is fantastic. Hello. Great. Now. I don't know if this is any better than it was, actually. Not sure I like it. Doesn't matter. We remove this. I have the chat there. And we go for view model parallel server entity. What is my network? Oh, because I didn't do a good job, did I? Right, so this is part of my old code. I'm stealing from myself. No, 8080. Okay, this is not how I do it. Fantastic. Endpoint path. Endpoint path. Where are you? Endpoint path. Endpoint path. Here we go. Okay. Understood. Let me copy this. Then we go back. And then endpoint path string. I think I know what I need to do. Okay. Okay. We do this way. I need to check something. I'm like still here, but because I knew this was gonna happen. There we go. Here we go. No. GitHub. Okay. Here we go. I just had something on this screen that I didn't want to show to everyone. So, we go here, then we go networking. Network client, we go. This is better. Network config. Okay, I see. I don't have any config here. No. App configures. Here we go. It wasn't that hard then. Okay, so. Hey Amelia, welcome back. It's going great. I think I found you on Instagram, but I'm not sure it's you. I know you found me on TikTok. Thank you. I hope you had a better day than last time you said you walked 20 hours. Will this magically work? Let's find out. Probably not. Oh, okay. I have one issue, but it's fine. I'm gonna ignore that. Where's my simulator? Simulator, come here. Amelia, are you talking about TikTok or Instagram? Because Instagram, I literally made it yesterday. I don't even know what settings I have. And TikTok, I'm afraid I don't know how to use TikTok. So, on TikTok. Oh, that's weird. I will check after the stream. For now, I need to see if this is gonna work. Right. Dark for sure. Me at testing.com. Testing this. Well, this is not complaining. That's from localhost is the last one. Okay. Also, what do you mean send? Oh, it doesn't matter. Well, my Instagram is the same. Is the same name, Goddess Commits. I just created yesterday, so I have no followers, so almost nothing. So you can definitely find me on Instagram. I'm just gonna use the same username everywhere because it's easier if I want to find me. Um, this is weird because it didn't complain. Where are my logs? Like what? Where is my simulator? Schedule message. Right, I do not swiftly. Yeah. Send message. Schedule message, sorry. Last one, test from localhost. Okay, this is not working. But yeah, I will take a look at Instagram after the stream for sure. Thank you. I need to find out why it's failing silently. How do I debug? Today's the plan is to connect the back end and the front end. So I have Insomnia working. I can create messages. And I'm testing because I created this one. Well, not from localhost, but from Insomnia itself. And now I'm trying to create a new message from the front end. So once I connect them, then I can work on the front end knowing that it actually does work. But why are you failing a network client? Win job first, content type JSON post. Okay, let's go to this one. No, let's go to the view model first. I also don't like this word composer. Message. Oh, because message composer view. I see. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's just look at this code. There we go. Now we got everything nicely lined up, but oh, I just forgot that Insomnia was there. Okay, so this is what I mean. This is working. I'm also going to the so it's in the US. A website. Websites are easier than apps, in my humble opinion, but I don't know much. I just like to struggle with this, I guess. Body sent from Insomnia. Live streaming. Right, so this does work here, and then this does. Oh no, it doesn't. Send from localhost. What? Also, oopsie. There's no need for it there. Huh? No, it's fine. Correct. Go. We're gonna put this on the 29th of February because it doesn't exist. Oh, that's nice. Well, to be fair, I do have expertise in web development. I just it's not my cup of tea. Um, yeah, I just don't vibe with languages like JavaScript. JavaScript I can do. I can survive. I would shoot myself in the foot rather than do PHP. Um, and yeah, we did web development. It's fine. I feel like it's almost easier. Um, so what are we doing here? Send. Uh, oh, you said that it's easier. Yeah. But I do like the challenge of application developments. I enjoyed my time. Okay, so the subject is not. Oh, I'm being silly. Look at this. Twitch. That's from Twitch. If I could spell. Oopsie. Internal 7 arrow. Interesting. Yeah, completed a website for diabetic center based in Oklahoma, US. Okay, Oklahoma. Which state is that? Wait, don't tell me. My mind says Michigan, but I don't think Oklahoma is in Michigan. I'm sorry. Although I did study all the 50 states. Ooh, this is annoying me. Oh, okay. So is it a length issue? I need to fix that. Length of subject. Length of subject. Too short. Too short. Nice. So send. That's from Brian. Okay. But why is it not working in the front end swiftly? Oh, Oklahoma is a state. Okay, sorry. That's why Oklahoma City. Okay, I understand. South Central region of the country. Okay, so it's near Texas. I have a colleague from Texas. She's amazing and she can shoot. So she proves my point that all the Texans can shoot. I don't know if that's true, but that's what I'm gonna go for. So what is annoying me now is the fact that I don't get any error message in here, but maybe I'm not looking in the right place. Okay, so let's see if this is actually wired. View model subject, view model context, view model sent out, view model recipient. Okay, so that's wired to the view model. And then status. So status should be pending, but okay, I put it there. See, I actually don't particularly have clients in a way that I did 2 websites for friends that were just asking me for favors. And I graduated 2 weeks ago now. So I am just starting, and my plan is to make some cool apps, put them out there, and see what happens. So I'm not particularly into software development for clients, although I'm open to, like, I can do website, I can do software. I'm happy to explore those routes, but for now it's just me in my room making apps, and I like it. So how are we doing here? Send info, message string, future message service. Well, I think it depends on the complexity of the project, right? Because the two things I did for my friends are very simple, don't require any database, don't require, although one will require database going forward. If it's like a static page that takes me 2 hours, then my personal quote would be, I don't know, $300, I guess. But I'm just really just stating random numbers at this point. I will need more scope and more complexity to know what will be the quote. You know what I mean? But also, you send me a message on Instagram, you tell me what you want, and I definitely get back to you, because then I also have some other freelancer friends that they can give me a random idea what they would charge. Yeah, exactly. Depends on the project complexity, but also, I don't know. I feel like right now I have a friend that graduated not too long ago, and he's doing some freelancing, and he's already telling me that he's not earning much because like that's the nature of the job now. A lot of people are gonna be like, "Oh, AI can do it. AI cannot do it." Well, it can do it, but then it can't deploy it. So, you still need a software developer. But I think that they're being cheap is doesn't look. Hmm. I feel like I can make this better. To make a better checks with regex. Mhm. Yeah, it's quite hard when you just graduated, and many people don't want to hire now juniors. It's a horrible market here in Europe at the moment. I'm just lucky that I have a job, but many of my colleagues graduated don't. So they went for master, which is great, but once they finish the master, good luck to them. Charge for the time, not for project. I totally agree with you, and making my own portfolio website is on my to-do list. But I have a to-do list that includes setting up my Raspberry Pi, which is somewhere next to me. Somewhere down there, I have a Raspberry Pi that I need to set up. And then, well, kind of like, I guess the Twitch can be kind of my portfolio at this point. But I do have more stuff on my personal GitHub, which I'm probably gonna just put on the Goddess GitHub for like public view and so on. And yeah, I do need a portfolio for sure. Let me build some stuff first to put it in the portfolio. Mhm. Okay, fine. Yes, just share them with me and I'll get back to you. Absolutely. Um, I'm also interested in what kind of website are out there, so I know what I can or cannot do. I mean, I feel like I can do most things. It's just gonna take me longer because I'm still a junior developer. I just Gonna fake it until I make it. I am send message. Okay, am I in the right? Send message. Message. See, what I prefer with Java is they will tell me whether it's been used or not. And here I'm like, is this being called anywhere? Function send message. But this is a protocol. Just a message. Okay, here we go. So you are not actually sending it. And there is no auto lineup either. Oh my god, I miss Java already. Do I need another bracket or not? You, open, close, you, open, close, you, open, close, you, close. Oh? Yeah, it's fine. Alright, Didi, nice one. Alright, Didi, I am happy that you texted me. I will come back to you in about an hour. Clients. Why are you not sending it? First of all, I'm gonna be stupid, but I'm gonna need to Google how do I actually check for errors here. Swift check for errors. Which, by the way, I do want my own error messages, so let's make them, because I can just be cheeky and copy them from my own code. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Error handling. Error handling. Yes. Future message, new folder. Empty file. Handler. Swift. Oh, don't like that. Nice. Yeah, I know. 1 second. Fuck's sake. New empty file. Network error. Okay, then now I need to wire them. But that's not the point here. I just don't understand why this is failing. I don't have this. Connect to client post. I miss my Java already. That wasn't I feel like this is probably why I put it here, but it's probably not gonna be there. Oh. Yes. Here we go. Mock future service message. Future service message. I want the future, not Oh, hello, Super X-Me or Super Per Me. Depends how you want to say it. I never remember how I'm supposed to. Yeah, I don't remember how I'm supposed to say your name. Super Per Me or Super X-Me. But hi, how you doing? Super X-Me. Lovely. Like, no, I'm not gonna make a joke. Okay, let's keep it. X. Lovely. Um, did you fix the issue with the what was it called? The 1080p. I know your name, but you know my name, and I'm not saying it out loud. Also, I can't pronounce your name if you remember well. The fuck. That was part of the joke. I don't get your joke. I'm so sorry. Network client. Oh, so it was a skill issue. Okay. So now you can follow my streams. Amazing. Right. So this is supposed to be my app. Yeah. I click on here and oh, this is supposed to be fresh, empty. Anyway, schedule message. I'm supposed to schedule a message to the future. Doesn't need to be to me actually, because the idea is you just need the email address of the receiver, which means you can send it to a friend 5 years in the future if you want to, assuming that they still have the same email address. But you know, that's the idea, kind of like a time capsule or time machine, however you want to call it. And I am being very stupid and I'm not seeing why I can't make it to work. What configuration? I think this is a problem. I put it here, URL, and I don't think I'm supposed to put it there. Mr. Peter 45. Oh my god, I really hope you're not who I think you are. Who are you, Mr. Peter 45? Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you so much, by the way, for the spelling mistake. Skill issue, definitely for sure. Thank you. Right, let's relaunch this. Replace. There's no way you are who I think you are, right? Mr. Peter 45. Mr. Peter as well. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Well, good luck that she's graduating tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh my god. Okay, right. Yes. Okay, yeah, fine. Yeah, because I removed it because I didn't need it. Services. Okay. Okay. I can't believe this. It's not possible, is it? I'm talking to myself now. I am really talking to myself and I'm so confused. Anyway, app container. Oh, but I don't care about the preview. Oh, what happens if we just removed it? Question from Mr. Peter 2045. Why 45? Definitely it's not your age, is it? Also, the age changes, so that would be a silly thing to do because you can't change your username. I don't know. Okay. So apparently this is the reason. That's the fix. No, it's not the fix. A network client. Okay. Do I have a network client in here? If I do apply any network client, that is not gonna. What happens if? Great. You create an account 10 years ago when you were 15. Okay, this is amazing. So you're not the person I thought you were. This is amazing. Mr. Peter. Okay. Well, I mean, 45 is a good number. That is worse number. Like 27 is a horrible number. Don't ask me why. Yeah, I removed it because I didn't want it. Oh my god. Let's see what AI does. This is really funny. But a more future is I don't want it. That's the whole point. Cancel. I don't want that. Revert. Revert all changes. How do I close this there? I crap now. Okay, there we go. Feature message. Because this is a protocol, not a class. So, but then I can put this one. But then I don't want this. Can I just? Fair. Why do I even need a protocol? And why the protocol is in this class? Where is it? Oh, there we go. I'm always happy to see when the error message changes. I used to need a network client. Chill out. But why do I even have a preview? Not being funny, but why? Come on. Ah? Let me ask Gemini. Why do I even need a... What I need to do is I need to keep the simulator open. Oh, yeah, right. It's what I leave the simulator open like this, so at least people know roughly how it's supposed to look like. Okay, so apparently this is the answer, but then I need to re-put down the live future message, which means that I go back on here and we just revert it like that. Will it work? No. Oh, yeah, I don't want this. And then, where was it? I also removed the live. Let me try. It's gonna fail and it's building. Okay, this is great. Continue with Google. Me at gmail.com. Swiftly, deftly, swiftly testing this is encrypted anyway. Schedule message. Invalid server response. Okay, thank you. This is a nice one. Any error is a good error. But now it did. Oh my god, this is amazing. So it did connect and it does run. So I can speak to the backend. But then I got an invalid server response. Where from? Network client. Invalid response. Server error, invalid response. Data is empty. But I'm getting a 201. 200. I'm getting a 201 created. So this is the issue. Okay. Right. Also, I did add some error handling, so this needs to be wired too. And I need to wire this in. Apply. Good. Yep. Because I love AI. That's much better. Now let's see if it works. Replace. And we schedule this for next time. Okay. Nice, but I think you're lying to me. Yeah. It is created, but I'm getting an error message 3. What was it? Where was it? Network, future message network error 3. What? No data, but I get 2. Oh, wait a second. I get it now. PA to red. Okay, so what's happening is that this is correct. I am getting the correct error message because it's saying that I'm not returning any data. Correct. Because when I go on my insomnia, nobody returned for response. 201 created. So the good question is, why is it not checking for this? To do check why this is not working. But also, I need to change the backend to return the ID of the message because that would be best practice. So ideally, when I create a message, I should get this back in the front end. Fantastic. Well, that's not happening. So right now we're working on front end. So this is what we're gonna do. We are going to leave that there. Leave that there. Okay, actually, I'm gonna move this. Can I make this smaller? Yes. Fantastic. I'm gonna move this there so it's just everything is nicely lined up. Drink my tea. New future message. Description. iOS application for the future. Da, 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 da. And then I think this would be enough to just terminal. I'm quite happy with this because push some ref update and look at pull. Remote origin already exists. Okay. Git add dot. And then we want. Wait a second. Okay. Git commit, first commit. I don't like the name, but git commit. Do you have any programming interest in application? Quite bored at home after work. Peter, you're gonna need to tell me more about what you think. In terms of what application you're talking about, mobile? Are you talking about something else? Which language? But do you want a front end only? Do you want a back end as well? What kind of complexity do you want? Application. Interesting application. I'm thinking. Okay, give me a second. You're not gonna like this, Peter, but I would like a better astrology app out there because I don't like them. Something more complex front end and back end. Oh, I also have a funny one I was thinking to make. I don't know where you're from, Peter, but if you're from the US, this might be something that you know. There is a lot of Florida man news articles out there. So I had an idea to two things. Check if there's already a Florida Man API out there. Probably not. If not, create an API that gets all the Florida Man article from the web. This is complicated. And then you just enter a random date, which could be today, which could be someone's birthday, and see the most random Florida Man articles. Because if you just Google, this is a side quest, but look at this. Florida Man 19th February without date, yeah. And then you go like, okay, Florida man crashes like, oh, this is today. Oh, that's not funny then. No, there we go. Look, this is what I mean. But then it's not today. I was out. Don't ask me how I came up with this idea, but once I thought it would be really cool if you have a Florida Man API to just check what happened on this day, what kind of stupid stuff a Florida man did. But then I don't want today as now. I want anything that happened on the 19th of February. This is yeah, what is the Florida Man myth, you see? Yeah. I mean, there's even a Wikipedia page. Yeah, see, it's a meme. So I don't ask me how I came up with this idea, but it's in my to-do list, the Florida Man API. Maybe there's already one. There is already an API. You see what I mean? Can I post this in chat? No, it doesn't let me copy. But yeah, go on Florida Man API, and it's in Go. It's just a silly app, you know, when you have like joke API or something like silly, just a Florida Man API. I need to save this. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I feel like that made my day. Okay, right. I was trying to commit. I was trying to commit. I was trying to commit. Git push. Oh, I hate when I can't commit so quickly. Because it's a new one. I always have stupid crap and I'm trying to commit. Well, Peter, if you do the Florida Man, just let me know. I will definitely use it. Um, it just kind of little funny one. Main is not upstream information. It is main, isn't it? It's not master. If I rename them to master, I sound something I would do, to be honest. Definitely something I would do. No, it's main. Oh, my music has stopped. So it's been already an hour. Okay. So I have this. This is what I listen to when I stream. No, this is when what I listen to every time I program. Clearly, I have OTs because I've been listening to this when I program for over 1 year, and I'm still not bored. On repeat, by the way. When it stops, I just start it again. Oh my god! I understand what I'm doing wrong. This is so stupid. Oh my god. That was such a stupid thing to do. I'm on the back end. I'm on. Okay, okay, this is good. This is good. I realize. I don't think I messed anything up, by the way. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm writing down the time that I make the stupid mistake, so then I can review myself making the stupid mistakes. Um, exactly. Yeah, I'm not writing down the time of. Um, I'm not writing down mistakes. But most of the mistakes I did today, by the way, thank you, Peter, for realizing misspelling. Like this was so stupid. Like it clearly says backend, and I'm trying to push the front end when the front end is on another folder. So now if I do this, boom. Do I have everything though? Probably not. Oh, I do. Error handling, error handling. No, I don't. Okay, cool, cool, cool. No, I do. Interesting. Okay, right, we go git add dot git commit -m front host push. Nice. I think I will finish the stream here in a minute. Just recapping it. Well, git check out -b new branch 01. I have no intention of actually naming the branch properly. Not this time. Right, to recap, I need to fix few bits in the backend. The subject being too short, like I didn't even realize. Somewhere I wrote 24. Oh yeah, right. Going back to number, Peter, for example, I like the number 24, so I just put length 24. Clearly it's too short, so what would be a good length? I need a number. 57. 57 is a good number. So that's done. Fix the length of the subjects. Done. And then in the back, I need to make sure I return the newly created message, return response status. No, I don't want to return. To do return ID of created message. Sometimes I really hope that by doing that, IntelliJ is going to tell me no. I think I got spoiled with GitHub Copilot for a few years, and now I don't have it anymore. Well, not on this account anyway. So, yeah. Okay, so that's one to-do I need to do. To-do I need to do, right? And then, what do we do? Process, triggering. The single sign-on with Apple and Google. That's going to be an interesting one. I need to research how to do it. So, how to enable single sign-on and Apple on code. Oh, sign in with Google SDK, next code, okay. Okay. And no, I don't want a YouTube video. With the developer portal, so I do need to create Focusing on Swift package manager. Implement single sign-in. Join the Apple Developer Program. Okay, so this is what I have yet to do because it costs $99 and I would only do it once I actually have something to ship live. So I guess that goes in the long to-do list. I can mark another things done. Put front end on GitHub. Done. Single sign-on Google. I can do SDK. That's fine. And Apple, I will need to wait. And then I think that going forward, we're going to fix the design. I'm just recapping now what we have left to do. I need to fix the design of this. Specifically, like if I click here, okay, I understand. This should go, this should go, this should all refresh. This is only for debugging. I don't particularly need this stuff. And then if I go sign out, sign back in, this is still there. This is not good. So I have some stuff to fix in the front end. The only thing that really works is this. Okay, cool. Unless anyone that is in the chat has any question, I will end the stream here. Bye, Peter. I'm so happy you're not the Peter I know. Okay. Right. I will also go now. Unless anyone has any question in the chat. No? Then we go because I need to have another tea. I did drink this one at least. It's cold. I always drink my tea cold because I get carried away programming. There will be an extra stream this weekend because I need to set up my Raspberry Pi. Actually, I'm gonna just sneak peek to my Raspberry Pi, which I can just grab somewhere. Come up, come up, come up. There we go. Raspberry Pi. One of my lovely followers, Zada, actually put this together for me because I'm not good with hardware. But Sunday, I will try to set this up. What do I want to do with this? Good question. I want to have the VPN, also the ad blocker. I think it's called Pi-hole. I set it up. This was already set up for my Windows PC, and then I changed computer, and now I need to set it up again. But it's gonna be easier, and hopefully I can set it up network-wise instead of device-wise. So that is what I'm gonna do on Sunday. Join me on Sunday for a special stream to set this up. Hopefully. Maybe it's gonna be 2 minutes. No, it's not gonna be 2 minutes. I always have trouble just to even like connect to this. And then it is connected to my Wi-Fi. By the way. Nice. So that's the plan. I shall go now. And as usual, it's still recording while I have finished streaming, but I really need to fix this. Also, speaking of Raspberry Pi, I need to find a place where to plug it in. Well,